Stylishly designed and built with high-quality parts, the new Vitpilen 125 is a dependable small-capacity motorbike for young riders that is sure to make waves. Cast aluminum wheels, ABS, traction control, and high-quality WP suspension are all designed to provide the finest performance possible, giving the rider confidence. With its sleek, contemporary design, the Vitpilen 125 is an aesthetically pleasing and incredibly rideable motorcycle. The Vitpilen 125 is easily identifiable by its striking white tank lid, which provides the ideal contrast to its otherwise black look. The bronze engine cover gives this distinctive yet subtle bike the last touch, while the sleek and simple body guarantees a pleasant ride. Better lighting is provided by the new LED front and rear lights, particularly in low light levels. Riding in metropolitan areas is made safer for riders and other road users by utilizing the newest LED technology, which offers enhanced visibility and sophisticated lighting performance. The Vitpilen's LED positioning ring gives it a unique, high-end appearance and serves as a running light throughout the day. A black anodized forged aluminum triple clamp with an updated offset for increased stability is mounted on a higher, straighter roadster-style handlebars. The handlebar-mounted dashboard simply shows the necessary information, including as speed, fuel level, and selected gear, in line with the genuine design's austere appearance. The Vitpilen 125's 13-liter gasoline tank is its most striking feature. The tank cover adds to the machine's unique appearance by blending in perfectly with the side panels, which guarantees that there are no restrictions on movement. An aluminum filling cap with the recognizable Husqvarna motorcycle's insignia is attached to the tank. The Vitpilen 125 can fit a greater variety of riders thanks to a redesigned bolt-on trellis subframe that reduces the rider and pillion seat height to 820 mm. The updated curve of the seat cushion and the premium materials used to make the cover guarantee comfort. A redesigned single-cylinder SOHC engine with fewer and lighter parts than the previous model powers the Vitpilen 125. This contemporary, very small engine provides smooth, regulated power and improved weight distribution for improved handling. All gear changes are made as seamless as possible using Easy Shift. To provide seamless gear changes, the EMS briefly cuts power when it senses movement on the gear lever. The Vitpilen 125 eliminates the need for a clutch while shifting gears, making riding even more convenient. The Vitpilen 125 has a 320 mm front disc and a 240 mm rear disc in addition to bi-brake hydraulic braking calipers. In addition to offering a supermoto mode that deactivates the rear wheel's ABS, the sophisticated cornering-sensitive Bosch ABS system guarantees the highest level of safety in a range of situations. To guarantee controlled and confident braking performance in every circumstance, every component is made to the highest standards. To improve its usability, the Vitpilen 125 has a number of electronic rider aids. Street and Rain are the two power settings available in the riding modes. While Rain may be turned on for a less forceful throttle response in bad weather, Street is turned on by default. The rider may choose a cruising speed at the top that will not be surpassed, even with the throttle completely open, thanks to a speed limiter feature. With its twin catalyzer system, the newly developed and meticulously built exhaust system satisfies 5 Euro+ standards. The exhaust, which is made of high-strength steel, is now significantly lighter than its predecessor by 2 kilos. The silencer's high-end matte black finish accentuates the unique design of the Vitpilen 125. The Vitpilen 125's quickness and character are largely attributed to its innovative steel trellis frame. A sturdy yet lightweight structure is produced by carefully robot welding hydroformed tubing. The rider receives comprehensive input and nimble handling thanks to this construction procedure. The Vitpilen 125 provides a pleasant ride thanks to its unique flex qualities built into the frame and the WP suspension. The Vitpilen 125's WP suspension is produced with the utmost care and attention to detail. The WP Apex open cartridge fork at the front has a diameter of 43 mm for dynamic handling and a travel of 150 mm. The shock provides the same amount of travel at the back, and its progressive spring construction easily absorbs bumps of all sizes. For improved rider sensation, the shock is directly attached to the swing arm and features an adjustable preload. A more rounded seat shape facilitates a more secure standing position when stopped, while a slightly longer wheelbase improves stability without sacrificing agility, and a 15 mm lower seat height puts the rider closer to the center of gravity. All riders will benefit from the confidence-inspiring riding position that has been created thanks to the revised ergonomics, which include a larger handlebar and larger dimensions to create a more upright and comfortable riding position. The Vitpilen 125 standout feature is its 17-inch 6-spoke wheels. Sturdy and dependable, they also offer style and stability. Michelin Power 6 tires are fitted for their excellent grip and certainty on the asphalt. For the benefit of the relocated off-center WP shock, there is an additional cast aluminum swing arm. Offering precisely calibrated rigidity for enhanced stability and predictable handling, the curved swing arm not only produces a contemporary design, but also gives more room for the new dampers.